Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell 14 Hall driver. Okay, so first method. So guys, go to Dell.com. This is officially site. So www.dell.com. After that, click on support and then click on driver download. Then enter the if you have a model number. Otherwise, you can enter the serial number also. Dell 14. Then you can see this is different tag, so which is using, so all the installations process same. Select this, wait few seconds, is this slow down, and there are two options. You can update automatically, and second one, this is manual. So okay, select the driver manually, then select the category, then select the operating system. Okay, so fully close this so we can find chipset and all, driver, keyboard, mouse, network security, storage. So all driver, so application, chipset, mouse, network security, storage, audio also there. So guys, we are tried install one by one. Slow down. Network, ethernet, wireless, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver, and click to download. Click to download, it will start downloading. You can see in the download option. Then it is completed. Just open it and then click to yes. Then, so there are two options: install software update on this PC and extract file and PC to install later. So guys, select directly install to first one and click to continue. After that, it will require some minutes of seconds. You can see the installing, the first LAN driver installing. After that, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi also required. Might be take some time. Okay, and then click on OK. So you can see Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and LAN driver, it is successfully installed, and then close it.